Hey tech fam, GadInsider here with huge news. The Google Pixel Watch 4 is dropping soon with a bigger battery, faster charging, and Wear OS 6. Let's dive into this wearable glow-up. A repairable design, brighter display, and continuous blood oxygen tracking, the Pixel Watch 4 is packing serious upgrades. Want the full scoop? Keep watching. The Google Pixel Watch 4 is set to steal the show at the Made by Google event on August 20, 2025. Leaks from Android authorities spill the tea. It keeps a sleek, circular design, but gets a bit thicker at 14.3mm to fit bigger batteries. 327 mAh for the 41mm model, up 7% from 307 mAh, and 459 mAh for the 45mm model, up 9% from 420 mAh. That can mean 30 hours with always-on display with a 41mm and 40 hours for the 45mm. Charging's getting a 25% speed boost with a new side-mounted system, ditching the back pins. But older chargers won't work. The AMOLED LTPO display hits 3000 nits for brighter visuals, and slimmer bezels give it a modern edge. Sticking with the Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 chip, but a new M55 Pro processor handles AI tasks like Gemini, which replaces Google Assistant for smarter voice commands. Wear OS 6 debuts with Material 3 expressive UI, bringing dynamic color themes and smoother animations, plus 10% better battery efficiency. New health features include continuous SpO2 monitoring and low oxygen detection, rivaling the best Fitbit trackers. Available in black, gold, moonstone, and more with Wi-Fi and LTE options. It's launching in 41 and 45mm sizes. Why is this big? The Pixel Watch 4's bigger battery, faster charging, and Wear OS 6 can make it a top Android smartwatch contender. Add continuous SpO2 and a repairable design, and Google's fixing past pain points while pushing AI and health tracking forward. This could outshine the Galaxy Watch 8 and Apple Watch. Hype for the Pixel Watch 4? Drop a comment. Which feature is your favorite? Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech scoops.